All right. Hello. This is the blueprint to selling a digital course. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up an entire campaign here in Kartra and show you how to make this all happen. But I wanted to go over this first just to kind of show you what we're going to do, what we're going to build inside Kartra, and completely automate this process to selling and delivering a digital course. So starting over here, I got a red box around here. This is your opt-in page. This is where the magic happens. This is where you offer a lead magnet to get somebody to opt in. So we're going to build a form on that page, go through the whole process in Kartra and show you how it all works and how to put this together and be making money in no time flat. So after they opt in, they go to a thank you page, which also sends them an email. The email invites them to a free webinar or a content page, and also start sending them out a sequence, making sure they attend this. Once they've attended this, two things happen. At the end of this, they're going to get an offer to go to a sales page to purchase the product. On the sales page, I've got this red box around here. This again is where the magic happens. This is where you get the money. So the order form is actually a part of this page. It's not a separate item, but we build it in Kartra as a product. So I just separated it out there. So anyway, that is going to happen. And also, if somebody doesn't wind up going here, they're also going to get a sequence of emails re-inviting them to go here again after they've watched the webinar. And once they make the purchase, goes to a thank you page, they get another email. And in this case, we're actually building a membership site where we're going to deliver the content. And we're also going to have this be an ongoing recurring revenue model. So you're going to learn how to do all of that and then some in the tutorials. So they're broken in. It'll be in 11 different steps. And this will change your outlook on how you automate your business moving forward using Kartra. So buckle up and get ready for the training.